Hello, today we will guide you through how to apply a vendor credit to an unpaid bill in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to move through QuickBooks Online and apply an available vendor credit while marking an unpaid bill as paid. This is a helpful process when you've already received credit from a vendor and want to use it against an open bill, so your records stay accurate and up to date. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main homepage. Once you're there, look to the left-hand navigation menu. This menu is where you'll access different areas of your company file, including transactions and expense-related tools. Next, hover your mouse over expenses in the left navigation. You don't need to click immediately. Just place your cursor over it so the related options appear. This section is where QuickBooks organizes bills, vendors, and other expense activity. When the menu expands, click on Bills. That will take you to the Bills area where you can review outstanding and completed vendor bills. This page is especially useful for locating unpaid amounts and managing bill status. Once you're on the bill screen, click on Unpaid. This filters the list so you only see bills that still need attention. If you have a long list of transactions, this step makes it much easier to focus on the bill you want to update. Now find the unpaid bill you want to work with. On the far right side of that bills row, click the drop-down menu. This menu gives you additional actions related to that specific bill. Be sure you've selected the correct bill before moving on, especially if you have multiple bills from the same vendor. From the drop-down options, click Mark as Paid. In QuickBooks Online, this opens the payment screen for that bill. If a vendor credit is available, this is typically where QuickBooks applies it as part of the payment process. It's a good idea to quickly review the details on this screen to confirm everything looks correct before saving. Finally, click Save and Close. This records the action and closes the window, updating the bill in your records. After that, the bill should no longer appear in the unpaid list, since it has now been marked accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of applying a vendor credit to an unpaid bill in QuickBooks Online. If needed, you can return to the Bills section afterward to verify the updated status and confirm the transaction was recorded properly.